Welcome to the 10-minute coding with Code Flash. Today's topic is all about dynamic control. Before we start, I created a method that holds the actual content that we have to use when running the code. The main outline of our topic is to create a control inside the container. Before we create a control inside the container, there must be a variable that we will be assigning. So, the control that we will be creating is a button, and the name of the button must be unique. So, I created a group having an index of 1, 2, 5 to create a 5 button at runtime. Take note that the name of a button should be unique. So what I did is that the button btn string btn concatenated to the actual value of I 1 to 5. In that case, we have the name of the button. And then the next part for that is to assign the actual text of the button, which is the button btn plus the actual value of I. So in that case, we just copy the method create control and put it on the main form node, call it, and then let's try to run the program. So if you observe, there is no controls that have been created because right now we did not insert the actual control into the container. Take note, container can be form, panel, or any panel, group box, or other container that we have at the toolbox. So what I did is that I put the button inside the form. So take note that if you don't assign the actual location of the point where we'll be putting the actual button, it will overlap all of the buttons. There will be 5 buttons will be created, but it will not be seen since they have the same location. So what I did is that btn location is a way to assign a point to put the actual button. Take note, the actual value of x is equal to 0, and then y would be the actual value of the button location y. So meaning, we will not be manipulating the y location. In that case, we will be having, in one line, there will be 5 buttons. Then afterwards, after inserting the actual button, I'll be updating the actual value of x, the width of the button plus 10, so that there will be a distance within that button. So now you see there are 5 buttons that have been created: button 1, button 2 to 5. But take note, there is no event had been created yet. Prior on creating a event, we need to create a method which is a btn click. In this part, what I did is that we need to pass the actual sender to be a button in order for us to retrieve who is the sender. And then afterwards, we will be creating a message box that shows the actual name of the button. Upon creating the name of the button, if you will be running it, observe there is no method yet created. So, it's not yet assigned. So, in order for us to assign, we need to specify what specific event. Since we want the button click, so what I did is button click plus the method. So, if you observe, if I click the buttons, it shows the actual name of the button from button 1 to 5. So now the next part is to clear the actual content of the form. So for that, we need to create a for loop. So observe, this that controls the count. If counts the number of controls that have been created inside the form. And then the keyword to remove the control is that this means the form. Controls that remove, and then this that controls plus the index of the actual control, which is the value of I. So if you run this code, observe the actual code is not yet accurate. Okay? So in order for us to call the method, we need to call it remove control. So the remove control is our method. So if you will be running it, there is a slight error. So it removes all of the controls, and then it drastically removes some controls. So the main solution is that we navigate from the number of counts of the controls, and then we reverse it. 0, and then we use minus. In this part, there's an error for that, since we'll be having an index out of bounds. So we'll be just putting the list that controls that count -1 in order for it to run. But if you will observe, there is one control that is not yet removed, and all of the controls must not be removed. Take note that we just want to remove all of the controls with the name starting with btn. So the name that contains, check if there's a specific string which is btn on the button, and then that would be the time that we'll be deleting the actual button. So enclose it with double quote, since it is a string. Then we're done. So all of them will be removed. Now, the main thing about creating a method is that we can reuse the actual method into a more efficient way of coding. So in this part, the code receives the remove control will now receive a sender. It's just a string. So a string or integer that shows a value, either it is 1 or 0. So the sender gives us a hint if the button that had been clicked is the clear or search and remove. So the condition checks whether the sender is equal to 0 and 1, and then 0 or 1, and then it removes the actual control. Take note, if sender is 1 and the controls, that name is equivalent to the text that we have already inputted on the text box, it will remove the actual control. And then, let's put the code, these controls that remove inside the if condition. Then revise the actual code, putting an OR, and sender is equal to 0. The pipe sign shows that we are using a conditional statement having an OR gate. So either of the two conditions that had been tested to be true, then the controls that removed will be executed. So that's the way we'll be reusing some codes. Take note, there is a parameter, either 0 or 1. So we just need to create another button click for the second button, and then assign the actual code, which is remove control, having a parameter of 1. Okay? Dynamic controls are very useful when we are having a controls that have or design that are dynamic. Usually on web development, all of those controls that have been created or designs that have been created are dynamic. So we can use this to make our forms dynamic depending on the user requirement. So that's all. Thank you and happy coding!